Strength. Come on, you can do it. Woo! There you
Starproperty.my recently held one of the biggest property fairs of the year. It was organised in collaboration with its premium partners, IGM Land and Ecovest Berhad. In the first part of this video series, Starproperty.my interviewed some of Malaysia's most reputable developers to find out their views on the property market's health in 2017.
2016 coming to the end soon. We see 2016 market a bit challenging to, I would say, stable. Actually, in fact, the second half we see doing slightly better. But since the US presidential election, after that, the market had changed. So for 2017, we expect the market to be continue to be stable. We don't see any big improvement. But for second half, we believe that the market will coming back. And 2017, end of 2017 and 2018, we should see some positive growth in the property market. In general, I would say Malaysia property market, we have this property market always supported by one very young demographic and also the urbanization. People moving from others smaller town to a big city to look for a job. And we have very young population. People still need a house, still need a place to stay. These are the driving factor. Of course, I think in terms of economic growth, our GDP still grow at 4% compared to many other countries. We still consider reasonable. And for coming year, with a lot of main infrastructure project coming out, our economy will still continue to grow, maybe at slower pace. So these are important factors I think will help to support the property market.
I think property market, I see 2017 will be good. Reason being, now as you know, the currency a big way. We will attract a lot of foreigner to come in. Relevantly, the property market will be looking at the foreign to buy because comparable to the previous last few months, currency now is actually more than 10% down. Then we will expect this one for the foreigner, they will feel cheap, and we also receive a lot of approach from the foreign investor to want to visit us. So I feel that 2017 will be good for our property, particularly in the city, which is condominium, which are the product in foreign investor looking at.
Despite the softness in last year's market, we did very, very well. We did in total almost about 4 billion in sales across the whole group, from north, south, central, and also international. And we are looking to do about 4.5 billion in the coming year, in the next financial year, 2017. We are not in a crisis situation where market goes zero. We are not into a depression. At any bad market condition, there's always this thing called market. There's always demand. For developers to survive, of course, you have to be the top tier developers in terms of development concept, in terms of pricing, in terms of location, to make yourself be there. Otherwise, they will lose out. What we have been doing is, if you take, for example, our Eco Majestic project. Eco Majestic is about 50 kilometers from Kuala Lumpur to the project. Of course, to get there, you had to go through the old Semenyih Road and whatnot. So, market was not very good there. What we actually did was, we spent about 100 million to bring an interchange into our development from Lekas. That has made connectivity much easier, and that has actually made the project much nearer to Kuala Lumpur. So we have actually attracted purchasers from Kuala Lumpur and also Kajang and as far as Remban to move over to our place. Sales has been fantastic, very good. It's all about connectivity.
The fair was held at the Kuala Lumpur Convention Centre from November 25th to 27.